Well, this is a powerhouse. And if you're looking for a premium smartphone with all the features under one device, and of course, if you are into taking a lot of notes, then the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a great device to consider. So let's dive straight in and let's see all its features. The first thing that is noticeable about the phone is its Aura Glow color, which is quite exquisite and lustrous. It also comes with a 25-watt super fast charger with a USB-C output. You can also get an OTG adapter that helps in transferring files with extra tips and tools for your S Pen as well. There's a USB-C cable that comes along with the package, and it also comes with a converter from micro USB to USB Type-C. Lastly, there are earphones and a USB-C connector because the headphone jack has finally been removed. Now, Samsung has been contemplating it for a while, and finally they have done it. The right side of the phone is spot clean with nothing but a shiny tip. And on the upper side, there is the secondary microphone with a few sensors and a hybrid SIM tray. On the left, there is the volume rocker, and below that, as you can see, there's a side key for easy configuration. And on the downside, there is the microphone, the speaker grill, and the brand new S Pen, which lets you use a lot of its advanced gestures. If you look at the back, the color looks very lustrous, it looks very premium, and it is a top-of-the-line phone. And of course, the design reflects that as well. It comes with a quad camera setup where the main camera is 12 megapixel with a variable aperture of f1.5 and 2.4. Along with this, there is a 12 megapixel camera with the f2.1 aperture telephoto camera and a 2x zoom feature. Other than that, there is a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with an f2.2 aperture. And to top things up, there is also a time of light camera for some advanced 3D options. There's an LED flash to make sure your pictures shine even when you're in the dark zone. The front camera surely ups the deal with a 10 megapixel f2.2 aperture selfie camera, and all of the images come out absolutely stunning. There's a 6.8-inch quad HD plus dynamic AMOLED display with Infinity O pattern. It has almost no bezel at all, and it almost feels like you're holding just screen, and I like how Samsung has just pushed it to the edge of their displays to make it seem so seamless to hold their phones. It is very immersive, and the design looks absolutely great as well, and it looks quite premium when held in the hands as well. It has a conical glass in the back, and of course the front and the screen has an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that is built in. Well, this device works on Samsung's One UI version 1.5, which is based on Android 9 Pie. And the processor is top of the line. It is the latest Exynos 9825 octa-core processor with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. That is more than enough RAM that you will need for multitasking, playing games, watching videos, along with taking a phone call all together. I think it will manage everything. And of course, the very fact that it has so much storage is very appealing to me because I store a lot of songs, I store a lot of videos, I take a lot of videos as well. So it's really good to have that handy. With a battery of 4,300 milliamp hours, it will sustain you for a very, very long time. And I think the very fact that it has such a good display on it, the battery will still sustain for a while. The camera has a lot of modes in it, of course. The one that I like very much is the live focus video. Now this is very new. It is for both the front and the rear cameras, and it gives you the nice bokeh effect that you would like as part of your videos as well. Now you can also do AR doodles on your videos, which essentially means that you can sketch anything on your face and it stays put throughout the entire video. You can also control your camera using the S Pen very easily, as the S Pen is a very nice remote to do multiple things on your phone. You just have to sift your fingers and the camera keeps changing its modes and features. Another cool feature is the Super Steady mode that gives you shake-free videos, and I think it's really good if you're shooting videos on the go. It will give you the stabilization you need. The phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner, and of course it also has face unlock, and they both work very well. There's this interesting feature when if you are taking a lot of notes, which I do a lot on my phone, It is very easy to convert your notes into text. You can also customize your side key to do whatever you want, and you can straight away go to an app of your choice. I usually plug YouTube on it because I like to watch a lot of videos, and it's so great to watch YouTube on this large of a device. Well, this phone is a complete package. It is a very strong device, and Samsung has made sure that they've hit the ball out of the park with everything that you may need. It also has wireless charging. It has wireless power share, so you can charge wireless devices on the go. That is really, really cool. The good thing is that it comes with one of the best displays and one of the best form factors and a very, very premium design, along with the S Pen, which is very unique. So if you're looking for a premium smartphone and you are able to shell out this price point, then I would totally recommend this phone for you.